Okay guys, Sexy Smooth Wax sent me some wax to try. If you saw my video from the other day, I tried it on my arm in big strips. It did not do me right with big strips. So I tried it on smaller strips on my hand as if I was waxing a brow, and it worked a lot better. So now I have somebody to try it on to see how it does on her brows. And so yeah, we'll give it a true try. I'm also going to ask her tomorrow, like how this, if it caused any like breakouts or irritation that she's not used to. I'm not going in one foul swoop. I'm going in the like, angle of her arch, because if I go in one foul swoop, it's probably going to have a rounded brow. She's got a good arch. So far so good. This is working way better than on my arm. On my arm, it was a mess. Yeah, this ends up working out good for small services. You got all your fuzzies. If it ends up working out good, I can use this for my smaller services. Let's see if that will help save a little coin. All her fuzzies. Again, I don't know if you guys can tell, but you guys can see it. She's so fuzzy. Like he was your baby. Oh. Hey. Okay, so all in all, I give Sexy Smooth Wax a thumbs up for smaller services. So I'm gonna look up the price and see how it compares to my normal wax, and if this is something I can utilize and it works out good for my clients, I'll utilize this for smaller services like brows, lip, nostril, things like that. So maybe this can save me some coin.